Hi, I'm Dawn Michelle and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog, and today I'm really excited because I have a piece from a fairly frequent visitor to this channel, and it's a little something from Mel Cosmetics. Okay, and in this particular order, I got, included in the bag, something from Mel Cares, and this is their hand sanitizer. Isn't that sweet? It kills germs without water. And it's in the staple black color, which I love. So thank you, Melts. I appreciate that. And of course, we can't be without the black packaging. What do you think I got? She's in parties. I've been hearing some really good things about this particular palette. I can't wait. It looks like a chocolate bar with pink filling. I don't know if you ever had those type of chocolates, like a cherry cordial. That's what it reminds me of a little bit. The packaging is beautiful though, isn't it? Did I put that right? Wait. The packaging is beautiful though, isn't it? I'm so weird. The packaging is gorgeous though, isn't it? This is 15.8 grams, which amounts to, it could be, or 0.56 ounces. Now, what's interesting is that part of this palette is vegan and part of the palette is non-vegan. And they list specifically which ones are and which ones aren't. On the vegan side, there's these 4 shades: Strangelove, She's in Parties, Sleepwalk, and Lost Control. The ones that are considered non-vegan is Skeleton Kiss, Total Immortal, Last Caress, and Mean Streak. The first 2 in the formula is mica and zinc stearate. Silica is 3rd, with dimethicone in 5th place. So I'm expecting this to go on really smooth. And I want you to see how it looks. That is beautiful. Look at those plums. Oh. Okay, this kind of sticks out, and I'm not sure. The first thought was that doesn't run in the purple or plum family. Like, why is that there? It's not even lilac, but maybe for a base color. That one's called Skeleton Kiss, and I believe Skeleton Kiss has some shimmer in it. It's not. I'm just gonna swatch some of these. It feels very soft, so please be careful when you put your hand in Skeleton Kiss. The one next to it is Strangelove. Then Strangelove is also like a shimmer, I guess. Wait, I think Skeleton Kiss is iridescent. So Skeleton Kiss is iridescent, Strangelove is iridescent, and now I'm going to Total Immortal, which looks like a definite matte. Hoping it is. That's a pretty, like, almost pale lilac color. And then next to it is Last Caress. So that's like a deeper plum. All right, so let's swatch. Oh yeah. There you go. So when I put these 2 on, they were chunky as they went on. Like they're smooth to go on, but you'll see little pieces in there. Do you see that right there? And then these 2, which are more on the matte side, there's fallout. There's a bit of chalkiness in there, but not that much. You can see this 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm just gonna, it's kind of crashing into a skeleton key, but you'll see what I mean. These are intense, they're very deep. And you see the iridescence there, the shimmer. That's intense. Again, this is Total Immortal. And I'm loving the formula. It's almost like, I would dare say, it just feels like it's all butter. It just feels buttery all around. I'm just going to do a simple look, although you could go really dark with this because those last four are gorgeous. But I just want to keep a light look because I'm going out in a few. I don't really want to. That's so pretty. Then I'm going to go in with Last Caress, and I'm going to use that to, again, there's fallout, so not only does a little go a long way, but you don't want to dig into the pan. Did you see that color pay off right off the bat? Look at the difference. And here, and here. It doesn't take much to make the color blend and work for you. It really doesn't. And those are the palettes, that formula that makes you, at least makes me return to them over and over again. You want a palette that makes you look like you know what you're doing and helps you, assists you in getting that look. Just gonna use that to go under. I know I said I wasn't gonna do like a really, boy, that's dark. Okay. Wow. Overall, Mel Cosmetics, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous palette. Well thought out. I love the plums, the whole like chocolate cordial, the whole cherry cordial design of the packaging is simply gorgeous. It's a well thought out palette. I'm still a little about Skeleton Key, but I think that's going to be one I'll probably grow to love. It's definitely an accent. So let me see if I can just put it in my inner eyes to see what it does then. Oh yeah. Okay, now that makes sense. Yeah. What blows me away is how this comes off like butter. Like the texture, the smoothness, the creaminess, like butter. It just has that sort of chunky, creamy feel. So again, there is fallout with this palette. Please be careful. Do not dig into the pan. And I think that you will love it. It's so easily blendable. The pigmentation is out of this world. I have to say, Mel Cosmetics, She's in Parties. I gotta love it. And plum, that's one of my favorite colors because that tends to make light-eyed colors, especially hazel eyes. It just makes them pop. It just brings out the green in my eyes even more. And that's my review for Mel Cosmetics She's in Parties. Are you a Mel Cosmetics fan? Do you have this palette? Do you own other palettes? I know that they just came out with a Beetlejuice series, one of my favorite films of all time. And I'm going to look at some of what they had. I know they sold out and they have maybe some restocking, but again, I have to check the website. But I just felt that before I got the Beetlejuice, I had to catch up with this one. Melta's been coming out with a lot of products this year. They've been debuting a lot. So for a small brand like this, with the quality and the smoothness and the lush, creamy, deep pigmentation that they have, they didn't disappoint with this palette, She's in Parties. They really didn't. I'm very glad I got it. This is going to be my look going out for today. It's gorgeous. Again, let me know in the comments below what you think for Melt sheaves in parties or Melt cosmetics in general. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that like button. And even better, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Take care. Bye.